welcome to my channel. To those who are new to this video or to my channel, my name is Trini, and in today's video I am gonna do another perfume collection review. If you haven't watched my previous perfume collection reviews for fall and winter, I'm just gonna share the link on my description box, so yeah, you can go ahead and check the my previous perfume reviews, and that was for the fall and winter. So today I am gonna do the one for spring, and I actually have the 6 perfumes that I love to use or to wear for spring. First, let me go ahead and talk about the newly released perfume from Jo Malone. This is called Jasmine, Sandbag, and Marigold. So this perfume is very beautiful, and from the name itself, this is a floral perfume, and it smells so unique. I think this is a different type of jasmine, and the notes are very beautiful. It's very creamy, very feminine, and it would be perfect for spring, but I would love to wear this all year round. The scent is made up of white floral, sweet, balsamic, aromatic, and yellow floral. So this perfume, I think, was launched on April 1st, so yeah, it's kind of new in the market. This retails for like how much was this? $180 for the 3.4 ounces. So yes guys, this is a very beautiful perfume, and the longevity is very good. It lasts for around 5 to 6 hours, and it would even last more if you're gonna spritz it or spray it on your clothes. So this is so creamy, and it's not too sweet. It's not that youthful but not too mature, and this is kind of similar to Gucci Bloom, but Gucci Bloom is sweeter than this, and I really love this perfume. It's too sexy and feminine. So yes, this is my favorite perfume for this spring. The next perfume in my collection is called, still from Jo Malone, and this is the Osmanthus Blossom Cologne. So this cologne, I think, is limited edition, and I don't think they still sell this in the stores or online, but you will definitely see this on eBay in 3.4 ounces. I do not think they have the 30 ml bottle, and it normally comes with a ribbon. It's like a green ribbon around the cup, but for some reason I don't have it. This perfume is very beautiful, feminine, clean, and I think this would also work as a unisex cologne. Very beautiful spring and summer cologne, and this would work as a daytime cologne. So you are familiar of Easy Miyake Eau de Parfum for women. It is kind of similar to the Osmanthus Blossom from Jo Malone. These perfume's main accords are white floral, citrus, floral, fresh, and this would definitely work best for spring and daytime scent. And the longevity is great. It lasts for around 5 to 6 hours, and then you will need to respray it. And the sillage is moderate, not too strong. I love it. So feminine, clean, and crisp, young, but not like too sweet. I love this perfume, and I would only wear this on spring or summer. So the next perfume in my collection is called Perfume by Fragonard. I'm not sure how you exactly say it in French, but I heard they call it Perfume or Verbena in English. So this perfume would be perfect for all year round. It would work for spring because of the floral notes in there. There is like a jasmine note on this one, and it's kind of woody, which is great for fall and winter. And it's also kind of citrusy, and it got like a white floral in here. So this perfume is beautiful. It is kind of lemony, but not a cheap lemon scent perfume or bathroom cleaner, whatever. This is unique, and it smells really unique. The top note is kind of sweet and lemony, and it settles like woody and like jasmine. I could smell like the jasmine. So this is a very beautiful scent. The main accords are citrus, woody, herbal, sweet, and white floral. This fragrance was launched in 2018, so this is a newly launched fragrance from Fragonard. Top notes are lemon verbena, Bitsy cubeba, and grapefruit. And the middle notes are ilang ilang and jasmine. Base note is woody notes. So the woody notes, I think, makes this perfume suitable for fall and winter, and the floral notes for spring or summer, and the citrus notes, I believe, for summer. Unfortunately, they do not have the full-size bottle, but I don't mind because I would love to take this with me every time I travel. I think this is the safest perfume that I could ever own and I could ever wear without trying to offend others. It would be perfect for day and night time, for office and wherever. It would make you smell unique, and the scent is expensive. And the next perfume in my collection is also from Fragonard, and I think this is also from the Flower of the Year collection. I got bourbon and the jasmine. So yes, this is the jasmine. I think this perfume is really perfect for spring, but I'd love to wear this all year round as well. This is a very feminine scent, and I bought this in Paris at Fragonard in Paris during my trip last September. The lady from that store recommended this perfume, and this is like the best seller perfume in the store at that time. And this perfume is very beautiful, feminine jasmine scent. It is not the typical jasmine scent that you can smell on the other perfumes or colognes. This smells so unique and real jasmine, and I love how Fragonard made this perfume. I don't mind repurchasing this, but I do hope they have the full bottle since I only have the 50 ml. The longevity is good, not the best, but I don't mind respraying it. The sillage is moderate, not too strong. It doesn't give you headache. But this is very feminine, sweet, but not too sweet. It reminds me a lot about Paris. Very beautiful perfume. I'm so in love. I think this is my favorite perfume in my collection, to be honest, followed by the Malone, Jasmine, Sandbag, and Marigold. Honestly, I am really fascinated with jasmine, but I always make sure that jasmine scent is a niche perfume, or I love niche perfumes. Most of my perfumes are actually niche, and I don't really keep a lot of mainstream perfumes because I always want to smell unique. This is a very beautiful jasmine perfume. You can still buy this online at fragonard.com. You can also purchase this on Amazon or eBay. By the way, I am not sponsored by any means by these companies. These are all the perfumes in my collection that I love. And yes, I just want to share with you all that these perfumes are very beautiful, and I highly recommend everyone to purchase this because you will surely love them. And the next perfume in my collection is called Honeysuckle Eau de Parfum from Fresh. This is a beautiful honeysuckle perfume. It smells like a unique honeysuckle. It is not the typical honeysuckle scent that you could smell in fragrances like Victoria's Secret or Bath and Body Works. For me, it smells unique, like this is a real honeysuckle in the bottle. The only downside of this perfume is the longevity. It's like after 3 to 4 hours, the scent completely disappears. So it's just kind of frustrating for, for the Eau de Parfum. But I don't mind, you guys. This is a very beautiful scent and I would love respraying it if possible. I would only wear this on spring or summer, but I don't mind wearing this all year. I'm a type of person that if I feel like wearing that perfume, I would wear it. If I feel like it will make me feel happy that day or it will uplift my mood for that day, I'm still gonna wear that perfume no matter if it's a perfume for summer or perfume for spring or for winter. I just want to spray it right now. Whew. It's just so feminine. The main accords are white floral, fruity, musky, sweet, and yellow floral. So I can smell mostly white floral, and that is the honeysuckle, and not really fruity, and it's just kind of musky and sweet, but not too sweet. Top notes are ylang ylang, blackcurrant, and peach. Middle notes are cyclamen, plum, and honeysuckle, but I could mostly smell honeysuckle, and it also got jasmine and magnolia. Those are my favorite flowers, most especially jasmine. I love musk, but I just feel bad for the longevity of this perfume. I hope it lasted longer. Honeysuckle lovers out there, this would be the best perfume for you. The next perfume in my collection is from Fragonard, and this is called the Lune de Miel Eau de Toilette. I got the one in 200 ml, and this perfume reminds me of Hypnotic Poison by Dior. If you're familiar with that perfume, it smells kind of similar to this, but the one from Fragonard is more refined and smells like less sweet. I think I prefer this over the one from Dior because this one smells so unique and it doesn't smell like any other perfumes, like the mainstream perfumes. The vanilla is just so beautiful. It's not too gourmand, and also the packaging is so beautiful. I got this in this beautiful bag. Look, guys, so nice. I love it. You can only purchase this online, and I'm glad I bought this, and I did not regret buying this perfume. I actually would love to wear this all year round. The main accords are vanilla, woody, white floral, powdery, and sweet. But this is not too sweet. This would also work as a night perfume, but I would love to wear this on daytime because since I really love this perfume, I just don't mind wearing it any time of the day. Lune de Miel opens its composition with juicy fruity drops of blackcurrant and blackberry, mixing their passions and tart freshness with gentle, creamy flavors of gardenia. I love gardenia too. The heart develops intoxicating floral notes of ylang ylang, tuberose, and hawthorn. Hawthorn, okay. Seductive, thick, and sweet flowers in the heart are tamed by musk, aromas, and sweet vanilla in the base, along with milky, warm sandalwood leaving a sensual trail on the skin. It sounds really beautiful, right? Based on the description of the notes here at fragrantica.com, yes, it actually smells exactly like the description. You will never regret, or you will not regret if you purchase this perfume, because it is just so amazing, so beautiful. So to all the ladies out there and to all the lovers of Christian Dior Hypnotic Poison, you will definitely love this. I prefer this one than the Hypnotic Poison because this is not too strong, it's too synthetic. This is a niche perfume. I so love it. I so love perfumes from Fragonard. They just make unique perfumes. I actually do have more scents from Fragonard, but it would be for my summer collection. So yeah, just wait for that video. I'm gonna make another video for my summer fragrance collection. So yeah, I do have more niche fragrances in that collection from Fragonard and Jo Malone. Thank you so much guys for watching my video, and I hope you like this video and my perfume collection. If you have any questions, just leave a comment down below, and if you end up liking this video, please don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Also, I have another travel coming up in exactly a week from now. I'm gonna be with my family. We're going to New Orleans in Louisiana, so I am very excited to share my vlog and pictures. I do share a lot of updates and pictures from my travels and my stories. I do update every day, so please go ahead and follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much for your support, and I will see you on my next video.
Been waiting for a lifetime.